check out this dope shit. Get glistens in your press blade to your back. The fact that I got you black out the flat ground, I'll lay you down. From the ground up, I round up, they pile up, I'm founded, I'm melodic.
She says I'm crazy, but you know she calls me Superman. Said I'm her kryptonite, well baby, she's the backup plan. I gave her everything but my inhuman heart. Yeah, yeah. They all confused. She need attention, she's sending me nudes. Yeah, meet me on the way. I can bring Chevy, you can bring the lake. Grab a couple friends, maybe we can make tape. I can give a fuck about anything. She don't want to change me, but little does she know that I'm beyond frustrating. Cause I know that to be saved, that after one saving, to love you felt too lying. Sure felt like it's been trying. Alright, ain't seen nothing, no you ain't seen nothing, no you ain't seen nothing yet. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. If there's a mountain to move, I'm gonna push till I do. And I'm just letting you know, there's nothing holding me back. I'm always on the attack. I gotta get up and go. And I have only begun. Just wait until I'm done. Nothing can make me afraid. Nothing can stand in my way. I'm breaking free on the run. I'm doing it. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope. This one goes out to everyone who told me I would never amount to nothing. For the ones who told me I was wasting my time. But with God, look at us now. No stopping.